I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you ever notice something unusual on your Cash App account, reporting it promptly is crucial. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Activity. Tap on the Activity tab, usually represented by a clock icon at the bottom of the screen. This section shows all your transactions and any suspicious activity. Step 3. Find a suspicious transaction. Scroll through your transaction history to identify any unfamiliar or unauthorized transactions. Tap on the transaction you want to report. Step 4. Report the issue. Once you select the suspicious transaction, look for the icon or report option. Follow the prompts to report the activity to Cash App support team. Step 5. Follow up. After reporting, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Cash App regarding your report. They may ask for additional information or provide a resolution. Remember, if you see a transaction you don't recognize, don't hesitate to report it right away. Staying proactive can help keep your account secure. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.